Hi everyone, I'm Ania Sade, and if you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and click the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so today's video is going to be all about nude lipsticks. And if you're not familiar with nude lipsticks, it is basically just another way of saying that you want to rock that natural look that mimics your natural lip pigment that comes through your natural bare lips. Or you just want a little more oomph, because I love to add like lip liners, and I'm going to show you in a demo. So you definitely want to watch this whole video so you can actually see the demo combination that I show you with a fun little trick. So let's get into the video just to explain some different tips and tricks before I actually show you my demo. Alright, so you know what a nude lip is naturally supposed to mimic. Well, let's now go into some more really just tips and tricks of understanding how to find the right nude lip for you. So what I've learned along the way of discovering the right nude lip, because just like red lipsticks that can be a pain in the butt to find that will work best for you, same thing with nude lips, because you can find something that is too pink, too warm, too cool, too gray-like. It could be a whole range of issues there. So what I've come to understand is it's important to understand that you want to know your skin tone is one tip. And skin tone is what you're naturally seeing here on my arm here, and that comes in very of course skin tone ranges, and you may have seen it in different beauty products such as porcelain, fair skin tone, medium skin tone, deep or even dark or deep to dark skin tones. That matters because there are certain shades that's going to work best for your specific skin tone. But let's even go into even deeper, if you will, or like flip your arm over and understand undertone. Alright, so I do actually have an undertone video up, so if you want to understand what undertone really is more in depth, as well as why it matters with beauty products and, to be honest, fashion and just different areas of life, you definitely check out that video. I have it in the cards as well as in the description box below. But just briefly, I will allow you to understand that undertone is the underlying pigment that pops through your skin, and mine's is warm, and to be more specific, it's yellow. I have a yellow undertone that will be labeled under the lines of warm. And now undertones, for the most, the big three is warm, neutral, or cool. Warm is your reds, your greens, oranges, and yellows. Cool is more of your purples, your violets, of that nature, and then neutral is pink or peach. And that is, if you ever notice, if you go and get a lip product and it may be like more pink undertone, it could be a nice red lip, or in this case a nice nude lip, but it's more pink, and you may be classified under, now don't get me wrong, we're neutral, neutral is not too cool or too warm, so you can get away with it for the most part, but there are times where it may be too pink for you and almost an issue there. So it does matter, as I stated before, to know your skin tone as well as your undertone, so you can get the right nude lip that will work best for you. Another tip is understanding your desired finish. There's so many nude lips to choose from. I have here the Milani lip liner, and this is in collab with Salt and Pepa. I love that collab, by the way. It's so amazing. But this is a lip liner that came with the collab, and it's the Shoop lip liner. I'm actually going to be showing you in the demo using this lip liner. So you definitely, if you're interested in how this looks, you definitely stay tuned for the demo. But this is the Shoop lip liner, and it is considered a nude, and this is the Shoop lipstick that came with it, and this is also a nude. And like I said, there's so many different ranges of nudes that's out here. Now this lipstick is more of a, I would say it's mattifying. However, it's not a liquid lipstick, so it can transfer Of course, there's tips and tricks. If you want to see a video of me, an updated video of me actually showing you how you can apply powder so your lipstick, even if it's cream finish, won't move, definitely give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below and I can do that video for you. But that's a lipstick that would be considered nude, and that lip liner. And I love actually when brands do that, when they create lip liners that go really well with that specific lip product, especially with lip liner, because what I've noticed with lip liners, Nude Lips, is that it's really great to have a really great lip liner. And the lip liner, I like to use a lip liner that is at least 2 shades deeper or darker than the natural Nude Lip, because it allows me to have proper definition. Because again, the Nude Lip, it can look too flat if you're not careful. So some other Nude Lips that I actually received for free to try out from NYX is these here, and they're like a cute little demo. I'm actually gonna be showing you how to utilize this duo lip product in the demo, so definitely stay tuned for that. But this is, as you can see, very pretty, and this one is more of like a pink undertone. It's really nice, but what I love is like a liquid lipstick. However, if you just want to make it more of a cream finish, you can actually add the gloss. But yeah, it's really nice. But that does matter because there's so many desired finishes. You have your cream or luxury finishes, you have your mattifying finishes, you have gloss, lip gloss. This is more of a lip paint from Revlon, and it's like to me it has like more of a brown undertone to it, but it's really nice finish. But it does matter what finish that you want, so that also comes into play, so you can make sure you're rocking the right Nude Lip that works for you. All right, so moving along to the demo, I am showing you my RCMA No Color Translucent Powder, as well as my Maybelline Concealer. And what I love about this concealer is its full coverage, because I like to cancel out my lips before applying my lip products of choice. It just allows me to not have to worry about my natural lip pigment popping through, and so I can definitely see the true pigment from my lip products that I'll be using. And then to set my concealer in place, I'm using that powder, and it's no color, so again, it won't mess up my lip products, but it'll allow everything to flow as so. So I am going in with that lip liner that I showed you from earlier in Shoop from Milani, that's collab with Salt and Pepa, and I'm just tracing around the perimeter of my lips ever so gently, softly at first, and then I'll actually start going towards the center of my lips. And what this is doing is giving great definition. And I went in with a brush to really like blend it as so. And what we're going to do is we're going to create this beautiful ombre effect. All right, so moving along to the liquid lipstick, which I mentioned before. I got this from NYX to try out for free. So yes, I'm actually really loving this. I love the whole idea of a liquid lipstick on one side, and then if you want it to be a cream finish, you can add the gloss. So it gives you the best of both worlds. And heck, you could just use the gloss if you want to and not even a liquid lipstick. But I'm applying that beautiful liquid lipstick onto my lips, and then I wanted to make sure the definition was still there, so I went back and added the lip liner to the perimeter of my lips again. With lip products, it's a lot of just repeating, if you're noticing, throughout this demo. So I'll apply one product at one point, then I'll go back applying it again probably later, especially if the second or third product kind of canceled that out. So that's what we're doing. But here to the fun trick that I want to show you. That same concealer that I used earlier to cancel out my lips, I actually apply it to the center of my lips. And what this does is it gives you that nice ombre look. And I love it, but just, of course, in the center. And I'm using a small product to make sure I stay in the center. Then I just smack my lips, and I'm going to correct as so in a moment, but just making sure I like where it's laying, Going back in with that brush, and again, repeat, lip liner, brush, lip product. Yes. But yes, I am loving how this all looks. And I'm just showing you first, before I put on the gloss, how you can just rock it with a mattifying finish if that's your desired choice, or if you want to make it where it looks like a cream or luster finish, if you will, then you can go back with that into that same lip product and use the gloss, and then your lips be popping with the gloss, and it just adds the perfect finish touch if you like that sort of thing. And I did, so that's why I wanted to make sure I showed you that part of the demo as well. But yes, I am all about Nude Lips. And if you're interested in what I'm wearing, I am partnered with Astrology Trends, and Astrology Trends is a Black-owned fashion-based company that centers around zodiac signs and astrology. I am a Cancer, by the way, but this is the whole two-piece set. If you're interested, I'll have everything in the description box below, and you can use my discount code Ania Sade 10 to get a percentage off your order. But I just had to make sure I show you what I was wearing. I love this set. It feels so nice. Okay, so I hope you loved the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't by now, as well as comment below what are your favorite Nude lipsticks. Tell me the brand that you love. Have you ever tried Nude lipsticks? Maybe you never have. Are you interested in trying after seeing this video? Let me know in the comment below. I want to have a whole discussion about Nude lipsticks because it used to be really challenging to find the right Nude lipstick for me. So I am definitely interested in seeing all of you guys' choices and recommendations. So yes, but thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.